The chicken became huge, and now it wants revenge.
This is not a normal car.
Oh my God, viewers. Have you seen these incredible 3D cartoon-style videos? I generated them in just one click using an amazing AI tool called JXP. So without wasting any time, first of all, go to YouTube and search for the channel Nighton Cartoon Zone. Oh my God, viewers, this cartoon channel is going insanely viral and has built a massive subscriber base. If we talk about the views on their shorts, wow, 150 million, 100 million, and many more videos crossing millions and millions of views. Seriously, your eyes might get tired from scrolling, but the millions won't stop. Now, if you scroll through the channel one by one, you'll notice something very interesting. Alright viewers, now that you've explored all these viral shorts, let's move to the most exciting part, the master prompt. The best thing is that I have already generated a complete master prompt for this entire story setup. It includes image prompts, video prompts, and even AI voiceovers. And not just that, I've created 10 complete scenes inside this master prompt. Viewers, you'll find my complete master prompt inside the video description, so you can simply copy it from there and open ChatGPT, then paste it there and click on the Generate option. And boom! You can now see that scene-by-scene prompts are completely ready. Scene 1 image prompt, video prompt, voiceover. Scene 2 image prompt, video prompt, voiceover. Scene 3, Scene 4, Scene 5, Scene 6, Scene 7, Scene 8, and it keeps going like this automatically. Viewers, if you carefully check everything one by one, you'll notice that all the prompts are extremely high quality and professionally generated. So what I usually do is simply copy all the prompts and save them inside a document file for easy access later. Okay, viewers, that's done. Now let's move to my main AI tool, the platform I'm personally focusing on right now, and its name is JXP AI. Viewers, this tool is honestly super fun and extremely powerful. You can see right here, JXP is the AI video generator that makes creation fast and easy. Anyone can turn ideas into videos in seconds. Alright viewers, now first of all, I want to show you the AI video options available inside this tool. So when I click on the AI videos section, you can see there are many powerful models available like Seedance VO, Sora, Vidu Q3, and many more. Even Happy Horse is available here as well. Now if I move to the AI image section, you can see models like Seedream, Nano Banana, and GPT Image 2. And viewers, Seedance 2.0 and GPT Image 2 are their latest releases, so today my main focus will be on these powerful models. And not just that, then if we go into the AI lip sync section, you can also see an AI lip sync feature available here. So first, I'll move to the image generation section and select GPT Image 2. Then I'll choose the text to image option. Now viewers, I'll simply go to the prompt section, copy my first prompt, paste it into the text-to-image box, select the aspect ratio, choose the quality settings, and finally click on Generate Image. And viewers, after waiting just a few seconds, boom! Oh my God, viewers, you can see the result right here. This image looks absolutely incredible. This was generated using GPT Image 2 inside JXP AI, and the quality is seriously next level. So I'll simply download and save it. Now I'll copy the next prompt, paste it again, and click on Generate once more. Again, I'm using GPT Image 2. After a short wait, wow, viewers! My second image is also ready, and you can clearly see how amazing the quality looks. The cartoon style, character consistency, cricket-style visuals, everything looks super engaging and professional. Now once again, I'll copy my next prompt, paste it, and click Generate. After waiting a little, boom! Oh my God, viewers, my third image is also ready, and this one looks even more dramatic and engaging. GPT Image 2 is honestly performing extremely well inside JXP AI. Now viewers, I want to teach you another model as well, so this time I'll select Nano Banana 2. I'll simply copy the prompt, paste it, and click on Generate. And as you can see, the image generation has started. After a short wait, Just boom! Oh my god, viewers, this result is absolutely amazing. So viewers, now I've successfully generated all my images using GPT Image 2 and Nano Banana 2. Alright viewers, now let's move to the most exciting part, AI video generation. Inside the AI video section, I'll first select Seedance 2.0 because it's their latest model, and today I mainly want to focus on this powerful AI video generator. Alright viewers, so after selecting Seedance 2.0, I'll go to the Uploaded Media section and upload my image first. Then after that, I'll enter my prompt, select the aspect ratio and settings, and for the model, I'll use Seedance 2.0. After that, I'll simply click on the Generate Video option. As you can see, my first video has started generating right here. Now viewers, you just need a little patience and wait for around 1-2 minutes. And boom! Oh my god, viewers, my first dramatic movie-style video is now ready.
Oh no! Why is there a giant shark in the bathroom? Dad looks happy, but the little boy is getting nervous.
And it looks absolutely amazing. You can clearly see how powerful the Seedance 2.0 results are inside JXP AI. The animation quality, cinematic movement, and character consistency are seriously impressive. So I'll simply download this video. Now again, I'll select my second image, give it another prompt, select Seedance 2.0 once more, and click on Generate Video. After waiting a little, wow, viewers, my second video is also ready.
This is not a normal car! It's a giant watermelon supercar!
And this is absolutely incredible. So viewers, I created 2 videos using Seedance 2.0, and both results turned out extremely amazing. Now let's try another model as well. This time I'll use VidooQ3. Again, I'll upload the image, paste the prompt, and click on the Generate option. After waiting just a little, boom! Oh my god, viewers. My third video is also ready, and VidooQ3 is honestly performing amazingly well too. And viewers, there are many more tools available here like Happy Horse and others, so you can freely explore and enjoy whichever model you like the most. Now my next step is AI lip sync. And viewers, the AI lip sync feature also works extremely well, so I want to show you how this feature actually works. I'll simply click on it and move to the Image to Video option. I already have a character image ready, a character sitting inside a studio, and I've also generated an audio file for him. So now I'll upload the audio in the audio section, upload the image in the image section, and then click on the Generate option. As you can see, my AI lip sync video has now started generating. Again, you just need a little patience and wait for the result. And boom, now you can see that the character is speaking exactly according to the audio I provided.
I heard something breathing behind me, and it definitely wasn't a normal plant.
Alright viewers, today I taught you how to generate AI images, AI videos, and AI lip sync animations using the powerful JXP AI tool. Now, if we talk about the pricing of this tool, honestly viewers, it's very affordable compared to many other AI platforms. You can check their pricing plans right here. For starters, they offer a $10 one-time plan. If you want the premium version, it's around $20. And if you want the ultimate plan, you'll need to pay around $99 one time. And honestly, viewers, all 3 plans are pretty amazing depending on your needs. So go ahead, try JXP AI yourself, and enjoy creating incredible AI content.